Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Miss Bryant, all by myself, giving the announcements for this week. And guess what? I just realized there's only 4 weeks of school remaining, and that kind of scares me. It's very fast. It's also very exciting. The next 2 weeks are also testing weeks. Next week, in the 21st and 22nd, how exciting! Their math testing. So it's cozy free dress days. Wear whatever you want. Wear your pajamas on Monday and Tuesday. And we're going to, like we said before, ease into the math tests. And we'll also have pullouts for physical fitness with Miss Hughes for 7th graders. On Tuesday, we're going to have 8th graders who have auditioned for speeches actually give their speeches in front of a panel. Our Popsicle Social event has been moved to next Sunday, which is Memorial Day weekend, and there's a 3-day weekend next weekend. So if you're in town and you didn't sign up to be a student leader yet, and you're interested in being a student leader, then that is still available for you. We're going to have a training on Friday of next week to just prepare for it. It's going to be a lot of fun. So this eases us into Memorial Day weekend, no school on Monday. You can have a free dress if you'd like, or you can wear school clothes if you don't want to. But then on the 28th in the evening, we have the event that Clara has set up for us, the LGBTQIA+ event for parents and students. So it's an open discussion. And then that Friday is this next week? The Friday of the week after is our spring dance from 6 to 8. It's also the last day to turn in any late work for the entire semester. So if you have any late work, any missed assignments, it has to be turned in by the 31st. Otherwise, it goes from missing to just not complete. And then when we look into June, we have only 2 events in June that I know of at this point. The Friday the 7th. Oh my goodness. I'm going to add it right now. Friday the 7th is the beach day. It's a student leader event. But then it's a Tuesday. The 11th is the 8th grade day at Cal State Long Beach. 8th grade game night at Cal State Long Beach. Wow, you guys are watching me do this. I think I need to edit the text to black. Thank you. Okay, so next week, testing. You're going to be testing math in math classes. Ms. Noble says, you guys all know this, math is a lot more about problem solving and common sense than it is about testing the very, very hard concepts that might have been the hardest to learn. So you do your best. Take your time. Go slowly. It'll be in math classes next week. And then 8th grade promoting on Tuesday, we have our auditions. If any 8th graders are selected to be a part of the promotion program, then there's a dress rehearsal on June 12th. This next slide is about the Popsicle Social. You can still apply. If you're going to be in town Memorial Day weekend, consider applying and participating. It'll be like a 3-day weekend, but you come spend 2 hours of that time playing games. And here is Clara's event. It's next Tuesday, or 2 weeks, the 28th. From 6:30 to 8, everybody is welcome. We have one student who sent in a picture, and it's a sibling picture. That's an 8th grader and a 6th grader, and they're the cutest things in the world. Look at their deep eyes. I can like swim in them. Can you send me your pictures? There are only 18 days of school left after today, and that's only 18 days left, or probably less than that, to get your baby pictures out there in front of the world. And promotion ceremony reminder, we've put this in the last couple weeks, so this is just more information. But last day of school, blocks 3 and 4 with an extended break in between so you can sign yearbooks. Today is the very last day to get your yearbook. They're $21. It's very easy to order online. I just did it last night. Very quick process. The directions are in the newsletter. So you can do that. And then today, because of AP testing, last day for AP testing on campus, there's no virtue ceremony. And so after today, we'll have 3 more ceremonies remaining in the entire year. But if you are opting for a class virtue ceremony today, I gave a couple options of how you can do it. You can put a name in the hat and just appreciate that student. You can do the volunteer virtue appreciations, and there's a frame for that. I've seen you practice this first year. I appreciate it personally because And you can also just do general appreciations. What the research says about gratitude is it makes you become less self-centered, which is always a great thing. I'm wishing you all a very wonderful weekend and a great cozy outfit for Monday and Tuesday next week. Ordering your yearbook today. Have a great day. We'll see you soon.